Hello everyone, once again I welcome you all in class 7 physics class. Today I will start the rest of the topic of force, pressure and Newton in class 7. Force, pressure and motion, in which I will tell you about the acceleration and about the acceleration due to gravity. So first I will start with the acceleration. So this acceleration, it is causes due to the non-uniform velocity. That means when the velocity is, when a body has non-uniform velocity, जब कोई body जो है non-uniform velocity से move कर रही है, at that time हम क्या कहेंगे? That body is at the acceleration. That means when a body has non-uniform velocity, we say that the body has acceleration. That means when this acceleration when an object is slowed down, it moves faster and changes its direction. That means जब कोई object slow चलेगा, उसकी speed fast हो जाएगी, sudden the direction is going to be changed. At that time the acceleration will be there. Okay, and this is only in the case of the non-uniform velocity. Now what it tells us, acceleration, it tells us about the rate at which velocity changes. It tells us about the rate at which velocity change. That means as the velocity is changing, तो उसकी जो rate है वो किस तरीके से किस एरिया में किस डायरेक्शनली पे वो चेंज हो रही है, that is telling by the acceleration. Now this acceleration, it is very important. Why it is very important? Because this acceleration, it is acceleration is directly proportional it is directly proportional to the force acting on it. That means as the force is acting on it directly, due to that force acceleration is going to increase, decrease. That means the rate is going to be changed. So it is directly proportional on which the force acting on it. But one more thing is there, that is acceleration is inversely proportional to the mass of the object. That means force के against ये sequentially काम करेगी, but if the object mass will be less, the acceleration will be increases. If the mass of object will be high, then the acceleration will be decreases. That means ये क्या करेगी? Inversely, opposite तरीके से काम करेगी. So we can say that what we can say over here in total, हम completely अगर कह सकते हैं what is acceleration, तो acceleration को हम क्या कह सकते हैं, it is rate in change in velocity, it is change in velocity by time taken. This is the overall formula for the acceleration. But if we will tell the acceleration in term of this, that means the mass of the object and the force acting on it, then we can say acceleration is equal to net force divided by mass. So acceleration, we will use this symbol for acceleration. A is equal to net force means F and mass is m. That means A is equal to F by m, and you can also write this as F is equal to m into A. That means if you want to calculate force, you need mass and acceleration. If you want to calculate acceleration, you need force and mass. So this is regarding for the acceleration. Now next move toward the another topic, acceleration due to gravity. And what is gravity? That means the force which is exerted by the earth. अर्थ क्या करती है, अपने डायरेक्शन में हर चीज़ को पुल करती है. आप सबने ये बचपन से देखा है, सुना है that an object dropped from the height. कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट अगर हम हाइट से गिराते हैं, that always falls towards the gravitational force of the earth. वो हमेशा gravitational force जो अर्थ का होता है उसके towards गिरता है. चाहे पेड़ से फल गिर रहा हो, if you are playing with the ball always come towards the earth gravity. That's why this is due to the gravitational force of earth. And why the force causes acceleration of the body. That means जो gravity का force होता है, the force causes acceleration of the body and its velocity. That means जो gravitational force है क्या कर रहा है, the force causes acceleration of the body and its velocity keeps on changing. So keeps on increasing. वो क्या कर रही है, हमेशा increase हो रही है because of the gravitational force. Now one more thing, while falling down due to gravity, that means increasing while falling down due to gravity. ये सारी चीज़ें किसके कारण हो रही हैं, because of the gravitational force is there. It is found that it is irrespective of the mass. ये जो होता है हमारी बॉडी के मास का क्या होता है, irrespective होता है, और it is completely as to be the 10 की power meter per second square. That means this is irrespective of the mass of the body, और approximate 10 की power 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर होता है. वन मोर थिंग, this acceleration due to gravity, it is denoted by g. Now the gravitational force due to gravity is denoted by g. The acceleration due to gravity is denoted by g. और normally acceleration किससे denote होता है? a से होता है. Formula will be same. g is equal to now what? f by m. That means acceleration due to gravity is equal to force by mass. And you can also write is equal in this way, force is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. That means in this way you can also calculate the acceleration due to the gravity. So this is all about the today's topic. Rest of the topic I will discuss in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.